Hello guys, look what I get. Beautiful silk cap for the sleep. Now we will open it and see. Look, this beautiful white box. Perfect for gifts. Look, just take a look. Here we have card, and in the card explain how to use, how to care about this silk cap. Now let's take a open it. Wow, this texture so good. Wow, just take a look this color. This color, it's so beautiful. Fabric, it's amazing. It's so nice texture and nice fabric.
This cap made by gently stretch fabric, softness, thickness and quality stitching.